2024, second quarter, 12th day of the journey. You know, in our last video, I told you that my bat issue finally came to an end. We had some black girl magic. My wife and I got to the scene very quickly. She was able to locate where the bat was, but I shared with you guys that this was a really positive problem for me. And the reason it's positive is because it reinforced for me that the whole of my business is I hadn't built the redundancy. And what I mean by that is this: I was out of town when this occurred, and nobody could address it until I got back in town. That is unacceptable, right? So even though I have somebody on my staff, on my payroll, that was supposed to be able to address it, they weren't able to do it. That's fine, that's life. But I didn't build any redundancy. I didn't have a backup plan so that task could be done. So one thing I want to encourage you is don't forget, there's a difference between being an entrepreneur and a solopreneur. As a solopreneur, and that's where we all start in the beginning, we touch just about everything. We're doing the deliverables. We're doing our marketing. We're doing our payroll. You touch every single thing. As you scale up, you want to work in your business, you want to work on your business, but not necessarily in your business. Which means in the short-term rental Airbnb game, you got to have multiple cleaners. You got to have multiple handymen. You have to have multiple people who are, assisting you if you have to move or if you have to, get furniture. And again, this was a positive problem for me because I have a team, but I don't have the redundancy. So again, be blessed, everybody, but more important, be a blessing.